Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how to register Illinois Lottery account on your PC. Illinois Lottery is an American lottery for the US state of Illinois. You can buy tickets online and find winning lottery with games like Mega Million, Powerball, Lotto and Lucky Day Lotto. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser and on the search tab search illinoislottery.com and enter. You will be redirected to the official homepage of Illinois Lottery. On the right corner, you will get to see login and register option. Click on register. You will be redirected to a registration page. Now give your account details here. That includes your email address or your password to be associated with your account. Just to make sure that the password you have given is correct, you can click on show and see the password. And now click on this next button. On the next step, enter your personal details. That includes your first name, last name, your date of birth, and your gender. After you give the details, again, click on next button, where you will have to give your contact and security details, your Illinois street address, your apartment, that is optional. Enter your city, your valid zip code. For registration of your identity, you can choose a question by clicking on this drop-down option here, and after that enter your answer to the security question. If you want to get a lottery news, update emails and jackpot alert, you can enable this option right here. Accept the terms and policy by ticking on this radio button here, and after you provide all the credentials for the registration, click on this register button here. Once you are registered for the Illinois Lottery account, you shall be able to access your Illinois lot. So this was it for today guys. I really hope that you guys liked the video and find the video helpful. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.